A plumbing service contract should clearly spell out the scope of work, the payment terms, the timeline, and the warranty details, all in plain language that both you and your customer can agree on before any work begins. Think of a plumbing contract like a promise written down on paper so nobody forgets what was agreed to. It should describe exactly what job you're doing, like fixing a leaky pipe or installing a new water heater, and it should say how much the customer will pay and when, whether that is half up front and half when the job is done, or payment in full at the end. You also want to include a start date and an estimated finish date, because plumbing jobs can run into surprises like rotted wood or old pipes hiding behind a wall. Something a lot of folks do not know is that adding a simple clause about unexpected issues, sometimes called a change order clause, protects you if the job turns out to be bigger than expected, so you're not stuck doing extra work for free. Another smart move is including a lien waiver or lien rights notice, since in many places a contractor can legally place a claim on a property if they are not paid, and spelling this out builds trust. Always include your license number and insurance information too, since this shows the customer you are legitimate and protects both sides if something goes wrong. Keep the language simple and avoid confusing legal jargon so your customer actually reads and understands what they are signing. One common mistake is leaving the scope of work too vague, which leads to arguments later about what was actually promised, so always write out specific details like pipe sizes, brands, or exact locations of the repair. Another mistake is forgetting to include a cancellation or refund policy, which can leave you stuck if a customer backs out halfway through, so add a short section explaining what happens if either side needs to cancel. A lot of people also forget to get a signature and date from both parties, and without that, the contract may not hold up if there's ever a dispute, so always make sure both you and the customer sign and keep a copy. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.